Namaste, myself Dr. Pushpa Kumar, Assistant Professor in the Department of Homeopathy Pharmacy, Faculty of Homeopathy Science at the Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today we study the branches of homeopathy pharmacy. Previous session we study the introduction and homeopathy pharmacy and study in detail. Let's the topic start. There are the two branches in the homeopathy pharmacy. First, pharmacy proper and galenical pharmacy. And after that, the pharmacy process has two branches. That is official pharmacy and extemporaneous pharmacy. And we explain the official pharmacy is a part of pharmacy proper. It is the first part of homeopathy official pharmacy, and it is include the preparation of drugs according to official pharmacopoeia. This part is concerned with a pharmacopoeia. There are some important drugs which are not included in official pharmacopoeia but are prepared according to the conventional method, like Litteris spicata, etc. The procedure described under this part as performed in pharmaceutical laboratory and explain the extemporaneous pharmacy. It is forms the latter and last part which is concerned with the prescription and dispensing. In this part, we study the prescription writing and dispensing of medicine. It is consists the preparation and distribution of medicine according to the prescription of a physician. The procedure described under this part are the practiced in the dispensary. And second branch of homeopathy pharmacy is Galenical pharmacy. Pharmacy which follow the method of the theory of Galen, second century Greek physician, is known as a Galenical pharmacy. This branch is related to the preparation of crude drug only, hence it is not accepted by truth homeopathy. Classification of pharmacy. It is two major classification, that is theoretical or practical pharmacy. Theoretical pharmacy, it is consisted of physical and biological assessment as well as the professional course that need to train the pharmacist and which are mainly of the theoretical nature. Practical or operative pharmacy, it consists of various aspects of manufacturing of medicines, retail, professional and hospital pharmacy, practical portion of physical and biological assessment. Uses of studying homeopathy pharmacy provide us with the knowledge of preparing mother dilution, mother powder and mother tincture. Knowledge of pharmacy helps the selecting the right doses to be prescribed to the patient. It helps in the writing of a prescription in the proper way. Knowledge of drugs for external applications. The definition of pharmacist we must know: a person who is skilled and engaged in a pharmacy, one who prepare and dispense the medicine, a druggist or pharmaceutical chemist legally qualified to sell drugs or poisons. Hope you understand the branches of homeopathy pharmacy. Thank you so much.